Updating your billing address on Dashlane is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your information is current. Step 1. Open Dashlane. Launch the Dashlane application on your device or log into your Dashlane account through the web browser. Step 2. Access account settings. Navigate to the account settings by clicking on your profile icon or name, usually found in the top right corner of the dashboard. Step 3. Select billing information. In the account settings menu, look for an option labeled billing or payment information. Click on it to access your current billing details. Step 4. Edit your address. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use Azure to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new billing address, ensure you save the changes by clicking the Save or Update button at the bottom of the page. By following these steps, you can easily update your billing address on Dashlane. Keeping your information accurate helps ensure smooth transactions and account management.